Good morning students. Welcome to today's YouTube live streaming class, and this is all organized by OSEPA, and as you know this class is for class 7 English, right students? And today also we are going to learn from your what book? Utthan English practice book, right students? And today we will learn worksheet number 11 and 12. ठीक अच्छे आज आमे आमर वर्कशीट नंबर 11 और 12 को पढ़िबा एंड यू नो व्हाट इज दिस लेसन द वर्कशीट नंबर 11 is going to be magical. You know why? Because we will learn some magic words, right students? आमे आज किछि magic words सिखिबा, right? So this is Lina Maharana, your English teacher. Welcome all to the today's class. So you know why we should learn magic words? What are the magic words? You have a question in your mind, right students? Before going to magic words, let us learn some greeting words. What I say? Greeting words. Worksheet number 11 and 12 we are going to learn. And what I said? Before going to magic words, let us learn some greeting words. Greeting words कहले पिला माने कोन? ग्रीटिंग कहले आमे कहू अभिवादन जणेबा, नमस्कार जणेबा बा अभिवादन जणेबा. सो आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ स्मॉल पोएम फॉर यू बाय यूजिंग दोज ग्रीटिंग वर्ड्स. आमे अभिवादन शब्द को व्यवहार करी गोटे छोट राइम्स गाइबा. ओके, देन लिसन फर्स्ट, देन फॉलो मी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so this is a very beautiful and small poem for you. I have prepared for you. So let us sing the greeting word poem. Good morning, good morning, good morning all of you. I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy to see you. Good morning, good morning, good morning all of you. I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy to see you. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, how do you do? I'm fine, I'm fine, nice to meet you. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, how do you do? I'm fine, I'm fine, nice to meet you. Good evening, good evening, good evening, how are you? I'm great, I'm great, I'm great, thank you. Good morning, good morning, good morning all of you. I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy to see you. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, how do you do? I'm fine, I'm fine, nice to meet you. Good evening, good evening, good evening, how are you? I'm great, I'm great, I'm great, thank you. I'm great, thank you. I'm great, thank you. Did you love this song, students? Yes, I know. So in this poem, what are the greeting words I say? Look, the greeting words are good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and you can also add good night. Yes students, these are the greeting words, अभिवादन करिवार शब्द. Now students, let us move to your magical words. What are the magic words and why do we say magic words? आमे कहीं के हमरो magic word गुड़ा को कहिबा व्यवहार करिबा. Why? Because these are the most polite words you should use in our day to day communication. Communication माने कथाबार्ता, interaction, conversation. These are the word for कथाबार्ता. Conversation कला बेले, interaction कला बेले जन जनक सहित we should use these polite words. कहीं कि ना this shows how generous, how well behaved, हाउ वेल मैनर्ड वी आर, आमे केते भद्र केते नम्र और केते मार्जित व्यवहार ये सब को जणाई दे दिस मैजिक वर्ड्स. So let us learn what are those magic words. Okay, first of all students, look, I have a magic wand for you. Look this one. What is this? The first magic word is thank you. What is that? Thank you. We say thank you. Next, the second word is, what is this? Sorry. Sorry. The second magic word is sorry. Okay. Now, what is the third one? The third one is excuse me. Excuse me. Right? This is excuse me. And the fourth one is, look here, please. The word is please. Look at the spelling, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Okay, so these are the magic words we are going to learn more. Okay, आमे ए सब magic words विषय में पढ़िबा. So when we supposed to say thank you, when we supposed to say sorry, when we have to say excuse me, and when we have to say please, आमे केते बेले ए जिंस को सब यूज करबा, ए मैजिक वर्ड्स को आमे केते बेले यूज करबा. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो we supposed to say thank you, आमे केते बेले thank you कहबा? When you receive a gift or compliment, when someone does a nice thing for you, केते बेले जदि हमको केबे कौन सी की गिफ्ट करंती, when someone gifts us, like your parents gifts us new dresses, your friends gifts us chocolates, birthday gifts, right or not, and you feel very happy that time, and in return you say thank you for this gift, thank you for this new dresses mama, right or not. So in this way we show our gratitude, आमर कृतज्ञता आमे जनाओ. gratitude means कृतज्ञता. तो आमे केते बेले रिसीव करू कॉम्प्लीमेंट. कॉम्प्लीमेंट गोटे वर्ड कहले तार अर्थ है कौन? प्रशंसा. when someone praises you, you are a very good student, your drawing is very nice, your handwriting is so beautiful. आमको जेते बेले कही ए भली प्रशंसा करंती, in return we say thank you madam, thank you teacher, thank you mama, thank you Sahil, whatever, whoever praises you, in return you say thank you. आमको के प्रशंसा कले आमे कहबा थैंक यू, आमको के गिफ्ट किछि कले आमे कहबा थैंक यू, आम पई कि भलो काम कोटे कर देले, कि हेल्प कर देले, even we say thank you. Right students? And next one is what? Sorry. When you supposed to say sorry? When you hurt someone or you make someone cry, जेते बेले आमे कहा को आघात करू किंबा कहा को कंदेई दू, and last we feel that, we realize that we have done that mistake, सेते बेले आमे कौन करू? सॉरी को, आई एम सॉरी, सॉरी, आमे जाकि सॉरी मागू. यस और नो? आ गोटे जिनस अच्छी, आमे केबे कफिंग करिया, स्नीजिंग करूचे, हिकअप्स आसुची, वी आर इन अ ग्रुप एंड सडनली वी गॉट अ हिकअप, हिचकी आसवा, आम जो ऑडी आसवा जोटा आस ग्रुप रे बसचे, एभली गोटे अजब साउंड आम पार्टी भीतर आसीगला, वी से सॉरी. ओके, कफिंग स्नीजिंग बेले, आम कासिला बेले, छिंकिला बेले, ग्रुप रे तले बसिचे, मास रे बसिचे, देन दिस इज नॉट वेरी गुड मैनर. इफ यू से सॉरी, देन दे विल रियलाइज, ओ दिस बॉय इज अ वेरी वेल बिहेव्ड बॉय. ओके, सेते बेले आम कोन करिया, आम सॉरी कहबा. So आमे केतले का को हर्ट कले, आघात कले, we have to say sorry. Okay, then when we coughing and sneezing we say sorry, right? So in this way we say sorry. And the next one is excuse me. Excuse me केते बेले कहबा आमे, when we supposed to say excuse me? Okay, when you want to get someone's attention, when you want to interrupt someone, कौन कहले ये वर्ड गुड़ा का? attention, इंटरप्शन, एगुड़ा सब कौन? अटेंशन अर्थ है ध्यान आकर्षण करवा. सपोज योर टीचर इज बिजी एंड यू वांट टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन टू हर, तुम टीचर बहुत व्यस्त अच्छा आ तुम्हें चाहो गोटे प्रश्न पचारे, देन सडनली जाकि पचारे मैडम यहाँ कही दिंतु, नो, एक्सक्यूज मी मैडम, कैन आई आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन? दिस इज अ वेरी पोलाइट वे टू से, राइट? तो आम कौन कह? एक्सक्यूज मी मैडम, कैन आई आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन, प्लीज आंसर मी. These are the polite ways to say. तो आम एक्सक्यूज मी कहवा इंटरप्ट करवा अर्थ व्याघात करवा सपोज दी जन कथा होचंती एंड यू वांट टू से समथिंग यू वांट टू गिव योर ओपिनियन इन दैट टाइम यू हैव टू से एक्सक्यूज मी सर एक्सक्यूज मी प्लीज मु ए कथाटा कहि परिबे कि देन यू हैव टू से राइट स्टूडेंट्स देन द लास्ट वन इज प्लीज व्हेन यू हैव टू से प्लीज दैट वी व्हेन यू वांट टू रिक्वेस्ट समवन समथिंग किसी क्या अनुरोध करने चाहूच एंड यू वांट टू गेट द परमिशन तबे क्लासरूम को पसला केमती कह मे आई कम इन प्लीज कैन यू गिव योर पेन प्लीज आम प्लीज व्यवहार करता सो दीज आर द मोस्ट पोलाइट वर्ड्स एंड कॉमनली यूज्ड इन आवर डे टू डे कन्वर्सेशन राइट स्टूडेंट आम दैनंदिन कथबार्ता ये सब मैजिक वर्ड्स इफ यू यूज देन इट शोज हाउ वेल बिहेव्ड यू आर एंड इट ऑल्सो स्प्रेड्स हैप्पीनेस ना कि जदि आम क्या ये वर्ड्स कहूचे ताले सामना लोक भी खुशी होची एंड आमे भी खुशी होची सो यूज दिस मैजिक वर्ड्स एंड स्प्रेड हैप्पीनेस अराउंड यू राइट स्टूडेंट्स सो व्हाट आर द मैजिक वर्ड्स वी लर्न थैंक यू एक्सक्यूज मी सॉरी एंड प्लीज नाउ स्टूडेंट्स look at your screen you have a book right and this page is going to see you all this is the worksheet number 11 and what do you see here all the magic words right students thank you sorry excuse me it is repeated many times right and in activity number 2 look your screen there are many situations in your book there are many situations you have to say or respond according to that आमर किसी एमती परिस्थिति अच्छी जो समय वी हैव टू से दिस मैजिक वर्ड्स और वी हैव टू रेस्पॉन्ड आमर एमती किसी परिस्थिति अच्छी को समय आम मैजिक वर्ड को यूज करवा कि हाउ डू वी रेस्पॉन्ड ऑन दैट बहुत दिन सारा भितर अनेक सिचुएशन आम समय को आसूची यस नो सो लुक एट दिस वर्ड्स आई एम गोइंग टू वन बाय वन हाँ से सेंटेंस गुड़ी को देख तुम बही रे देख और स्क्रीन रे देख यू आर लेट फॉर द क्लास तुम्हें क्लास को डेरी रे आसिल एंड योर टीचर इज इन द क्लास देन व्हाट यू सपोज टू से सॉरी मैडम सॉरी सर आई एम लेट इन अ पोलाइट वे तुम बॉडी लैंग्वेज आमर शरीर भी से कथा कह जहाँ मुह कहूँ आम बॉडी भी से कथा कह सॉरी मैडम आई एम लेट टुडे ठीक अच्छे टीचर क्लास रे अच्छी यू एंटर टू द क्लासरूम into the classroom and you have to say sorry madam I am late today. The teacher calls your roll present niyanti then you say present ma'am, present miss, present sir right this is your response. Somebody thanks you kehi तुमको thanks जणेले you did a very good thing for someone and he said thank you you have to say welcome most welcome right this is the very good response for you. Then somebody offers you a chocolate and you don't want to take it kehi jane तुमको चॉकलेट्स दौरान ऑफर कर बट यू डोंट वांट टू टेक इट यू डोंट वांट टू ईट दैट राइट सो व्हाट यू सपोज टू से यू हैव टू से वेरी पोलाइटली नॉट रूडली आमे अशिष्ट होइके कहबा ना ना खाइबेनी नो नो थैंक्स यू हैव टू से नो नो थैंक्स सो दिस इज द वेरी गुड वे. देन यू वांट टू यूज समवन्स पेन एंड ही गिव्स यू हिज पेन टू यूज तुम्हें आउ जन पेन व्यवहार करने चाहूँ एंड ही गिव्स यू द पेन टू यूज देन हाउ वुड यू से मे आई यूज योर पेन प्लीज मु तुमर पेन को व्यवहार करें कि मे आई दिस इज द पोलाइट वर्ड मे आई यूज योर पेन प्लीज. नेक्स्ट वन यू डोंट नो वेयर द रेलवे स्टेशन इज एंड यू आर आस्किंग समवन कही व्हेन यू आस्क समथिंग यू टेक यू वांट टू गेट समवन्स अटेंशन से आम एक्सक्यूज मी व्यवहार करती ये आम कह एक्सक्यूज मी वुड यू प्लीज टेल मी द वे टू रेलवे स्टेशन यू आर इन अननोन प्लेस तुम्हें गोटे अननोन प्लेस को पड़े जाए यू डोंट नो वेयर इज द रेलवे स्टेशन इज देन यू हैव टू आस्क समवन सो यू हैव टू से एक्सक्यूज मी सर एक्सक्यूज मी मैडम वुड यू प्लीज टेल मी द वे टू रेलवे स्टेशन कोटे मत कहींपारे कि यू आस्क परमिशन. नेक्स्ट वन इज someone says something to you but you can't hear कहीं जने किसी कहला but I couldn't hear properly आमे ठीक से सुनी पारलेनी then you have to say pardon I couldn't hear you could you repeat that please आउ थरे कहिबे कि please से सेंटेंस ता आउ थरे कहिबे कि I couldn't hear you could you repeat that please आउ थे कहे कि नेक्स्ट वन व्हेन यू डू समथिंग रॉन्ग तुम्हें किसी भूल काम करदेल जमती मुझे कही आम कि गोटे हट कले क्या आम कौन कह सॉरी देन वी से सॉरी आई एम सॉरी राइट स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट वन व्हेन यू सी ऑफ समबडी सी ऑफ बाय बाय समवन राइट और नॉट आम क्या बाटे जा सी ऑफ मीन्स बाटे जा व्हेन यू समवन समबडी we have to say bye bye goodbye see you again right these are the responses students okay so look the next screen say the magic words so what are the magic words thank you sorry excuse me please and what are the greeting words good morning good afternoon good evening and good night right students so this is all about your worksheet number 11 and you have to fill all these things in your book the activity number 2 you have to fill all these things as I discussed here right students so you have an assessment students in your next page you did it on your own and send to your teachers okay they will correct you next thing worksheet number what 12 let me rub the board in worksheet number 12 students we will learn today words related to shape size and color what I say shape sizes or size and colors kahin padiba why should we know about all these things shape size colors kon hoba right students if you know about shapes and sizes of things your drawing skill will be very good you will develop your drawing skill your writing skill right students kemti suppose a shape is circle ame padhiba sibe sir suppose this is a shape this is called circle and this one is called triangle if you know about this one the circle in a half circle you can very good write or see in a very good way you can write O in a proper way you can write P with all are formed in half circle or full circle if you know about triangles you can draw even a very good what house like this yes students so we should know all this shape and sizes in our day to day drawings or in our class right students so look at your screen ko ebe dekho worksheet number 12 there are many shapes first one is a circle round shape goal achi circle second one is triangle look at the spellings also students triangle triangle is tribhuja then oval shape oval oval then square then rectangle what is that rectangle 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 square square these are the words related to shapes and these are very basic shapes egudako sadharana shape you know also and dekho ta tole the things are related to these shapes ball is circle in color in shape and ice cream is triangle egg is oval monitor is square right or not and the truck is just like a rectangle shape yes students so these are the shapes and things the next screen we will learn about sizes size students size these are the shapes and size kaun kaiba big this is big and this is small these are the sizes so look at your board look at your screen a giraffe is tall and donkey is short tall and short then fat and thin fat means mota one cow is fat and other is thin and look at the fishes one is small and one is big and the trees one is long and one is short so these words are related to sizes big small fat thin and long short right students small big all these are words sizes look at the next screen You know very good all the colors, right or not? You have know many colors, and there are some new colors also, na? Look, red, blue, green, orange, yellow, pink, purple. These are very basic colors, you know, and black and white. But the other colors, look, aqua, lime, gold, turquoise, violet, coral, navy. These are very uncommon for us, but you can learn all these things from here, right? These are the different colors here, right, students? And we know many colors around us, apple, leaves, yes or no? Then next screen. Name the shapes, sizes and colors, students, right? Giraffe is tall, tree is triangle, swan is what? Swan is white and this is fat. So these are the opposite pairs, big, small. Look, 3 and 4s are here, big, small, long, short and thin, fat. These are the words related to shapes. Let us read the poem. This is in your book. Open your book, page number 26. The dogs I know have many shapes. Some are big and tall, some are long and some are thin, and some are fat and small, and some are so thin that they seem to have no shapes at all. So in this screen, students, look, I have underlined some words. Kichi words ko mu underline karichi. Big, tall, long, thin, fat and small. Now look the next screen. These are the dogs. Kete prakar dogs achanti, big, small, nahi? Next one. Can you fill up this poem, students? The dogs I know have many shapes. Some are dash and dash, big and tall. Some are long and some are thin. Some are fat and small. Dash ko dekho. And some are so thin that they seem to have no shapes at all. Right, students? So what are the words we find out here? आमे इटी कौन कौन सब words पाइले? Big, small, tall, thin, fat. Nice, students? So we have got many words related to shapes. तो एगुड़ा सब आमर shape और size रो एवं colors मध्य हमें जानिले. Now there is a very good activity. Activity number 3. So I will write down the answers only. You have to look at the screen. If you want to write down, then you can copy now. The elephant is dash. Elephant ta kemti pila mane koha? Ame dekhiche elephant. Elephant is big in size. So you have to write down the answer big. Then the ant is, students, ant is how? How is it? Very small, right or not? Then you have options here, S-M-A-L-L, small. Then you have to write down small. Then banana is dash in color. Banana, you have eaten banana. Banana kona? Kadali. You have eaten many times. What is the color of that? Tar jo bahar area. What is the color of that? Yes, that is yellow in color. Haladiya ranga, yellow. So banana is yellow in color. Then you have to write down the spelling. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow in color. Parrot, parrot is dash in color. Number 4 is parrot is dash in color. Parrot kon kahile bole? Sua. What is the color of that? Sua ta kemti color dekhiya ko? That is green in color. That is green in color. So you have to write down G-R-E-E-N, green. And you have also. So I have not given the what option here, students. You have to write down green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Now, number 5. In the cartoon story Motu Patlu, Motu is dash and Patlu is dash. तमें समझते cartoon story देखुचा. Motu Patlu, you know. In the Motu is what shape? What is the shape of that Motu? Motu is fat and Patlu is thin. So you have to write down fat and thin. F-A-T, fat, T-H-I-N, thin. Fat and thin. Right, students? Now, Look, activity number 4, column A and column B. We have to what? Match them. So, can you students please look at me? Look, I have a drawing sheet here. I am going to match with you, right? Do simultaneously, do with me. So, we have to match big with what? Big, small. Can you see it, students? Can you see it? Look, big to small. These are opposites. These are opposites. Viparita. Big, small, fat, thin. These are opposite to each other, but they are shapes. Fat is a shape, thin is also a shape. So, big, small, fat and what? Fat opposite, thin. So, here fat, thin, right students? Now, tall, tall, short, tall, short, tall and short. Black, black, black is, the opposite of black is white. Now students, good. It is not a shape, but it is a opposite word. We have to find out the opposite. The opposite of good is bad. Yes students. Clever, clever माने चतुर, clever. कौन हम तार आमे कहती गध बा मूर्ख, foolish. Yes. So clever रो कौन हवा? Foolish. Happy, happy, happy. Happy रो opposite कौन हवा? Unhappy, happy, unhappy. So these are the opposite words, and that is also given in your book, students. Look at your homework page. Choose the right answer from the options. The dogs have, there are many words, and you have to write down many shapes. तांकर बहुत shape था. Which of the following describes only about the shape of dog? As we know from your poem, big and tall. Find out odd one out. Which one is odd? Thin, fat, small shape. Shape is odd one. Which dog seems to have no shape? Ko dog ro आदौ न थाए जଣା पड़ेनी shape. Which one is thin? So in this poem, students, big, you know, this is big and tall and long. These are the shapes. And thin, so thin, patala, and fat and small, small, right students? These are the words we learned today, magic words and shapes related words. So this is all about your class. Thank you so much.